Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be learning that how to make the blazing beauty Inferno Girl on Fire artwork. Let's search a burning coal. This is by Dave Mariana. So look for images. This is by FreePic. Then we need more coal and fire. Yeah, this is good. Wire stock and some crackles here and there. So this is by rawpixel.com. And let's go to our favorite website pixels.com. This is by Adioni Gabor. And now this is by Alhan Ilhan. And this is by Ahmad Yusuf. And Burning Ball. Okay, now let's see. Yeah, this is good. So wire stock. And now let's go to Pickwish. And we had worked with an image of this girl where we had created a ghost out of her. You can see this link here, okay, of the artwork that we had done with her. Okay, now we go to upscale and we select her image that we have done and we upscale it. Okay, so we put her image back here and it's huge. Okay, all thanks to upscale. So just put her face because that's what we are more interested in, putting the fire effect on the face. Now, again, this cracked artwork, we have used it in a broken artwork, which again you can see here. So this is how she breaks, she crackles. Okay, make sure that you are working. So we remove the effect and we come in Corel Photo Paint and come here and say Smart Selection Mask. So you select this and this is what you get. Okay, now an object, this is how it is. Now I press delete and this is will final outcome will come this way where it's a see-through. We want a see-through because we want our fire to go through there. Again you come here and give the effect of multiply. So when you multiply, this is the outcome that you get. Once you convert it, you give it a transparency. Okay, now let's come here and put our coal. Okay, now let's see how this will look before we do much with it. Let's see. Okay, come here and say add and or overlay. You can say overlay and yeah, this is good. Okay, so we overlay this. Now her face is burnt. Rotate it at 90 degrees. And this is how you create the inferno effect. Isn't it amazing? Isn't it amazing? You know what softwares can do, what CorelDRAW can do. You know, the best makeup artist. Now just duplicate this and create this with a freehand tool. Okay, you can let her lips be if you want. I think I will not let the lips be. Let it be. Okay, and now adjust this as for the face. Come here. Okay, you can work in this format. Okay, remove everything that is a little extra because you don't want any problems later on. Okay, now put that face right here. Sorry, the outline right here, and position it as per where the face is. Make changes if need be. And now let's, oh, this is taking a lot of space. Never mind, we trim this and we need only so much. We put her only here. Okay, we put her only here. We remove the big image of the girl. Stretch this slightly to fit the firma and trim it. Okay, so this is what you get. Now what we'll do is put our effect. First let's work with transparency. Okay, so you make this transparent because you want her face from normal to burnt. Okay, same with the hair area. So you want it from normal to burnt. So you'll have to work with transparency and then keep converting it to bitmap. This is a little tricky to get it right. Never mind, you can take your time. We duplicate this. Okay, duplicate it and now give it a screen. Wow, see, this is looking nice. Okay, so face fully is smoked and burnt. So she is our inferno girl. Now what we do, we create an eye. Okay, make the adjustments to the eye, and now here this eye, no, we are going to trim with both these. Okay, duplicate the eye also in case things go wrong, and this is what you get. So eye is peeping out. Okay, if you want, my friends, what we could do, yes, I haven't done it, but we could even convert these things, the eye also, into red color by giving selecting that area, copy pasting it and colorizing it. Okay, now this is what we are adding some more fire on our face. And if you remember, we had left our firma, use the firma again and trim this image. Okay, so this is our fire. Yeah, extend it. I think this is great. Just let it be. Yeah, just let it be. We give it a transparency. We don't trim it. Let the flames go from her face. Okay, and convert it to a bitmap. That way, yeah, this is great. Let the flames be. Yeah, this is if lighter. If lighter is a good effect. You might have to even play with these effects. Yeah, this is super. Okay, so she's burning. Okay, now you come here. Again, you have to play with this because see, overlay will make her black. Okay, so you have to be very careful when you're using overlay on the on a person. It will make her black. So you use the transparency effectively. Yeah, till there. And again, we convert it to bitmap and use transparency here. So let one side of her kind of, flame up. Hello, I'm very sorry for disrupting this particular video. I'm sure you're really enjoying it. But I have a special announcement that now I have started a series of webinars. And in that particular series, I am basically taking ahead anything or any kind of doubt that anyone would have. Let it be, from starting with the basics of the software to basically how they could transit from basic to intermediate to advanced. Or if you have any issues regarding how to make print files or papers or different kind of tools, different kind of websites, or how to work with even prompts, while you're working with different websites. I am going to create webinars on all of this. If you have any kind of doubt or you want to speed up your process on creating something good and are looking for a hand holding catapult yourself really fast, then please subscribe to the channel and key in your difficulty. The reason why I'm asking you to subscribe is because all announcements of webinars are going to be there in the future videos. And please enjoy the video further. And now we use this image here. So XOR logical is what we are going to be using. And in these cracks, we are going to put these flames. So you know that, fire is coming out from these cracks also. Okay. Now come here and give her body also a transparency so that it blends with the black background and only the face is to be seen. Okay. I'm yet not so happy with this image which we have put down below. Let's see what we can do. Let's write her name, Inferno, and use the font FM College Team, okay, which we have used in one of our artworks, that is the broken artwork. You can the link of that is also here and you can see it. Now let's come here. This is our Inferno girl, and again we take a crack texture which we have used in that artwork and say color balance. Come here and give it full 100 and -100. It will be full cyan. Okay. Once that is done, then we extend it. So I don't want this pinkish effect. Okay. In the girl, we have enough of pink. So let's go to hue and saturation and remove the reds. Okay. We want reds to become whites, or even better if they can become orange. So in certain areas we want orange. Yeah, this is what it is. So orange and red. Let the ground also burn. Okay. And this fire effect is good. This is great. See, it's far better than what we had here. Delete this. We don't want this here. Okay. Reduce the size of this. Yeah, this looks good. Now what we'll do, again make it normal. Make it normal once more. Okay. And now we use transparency to delete it. So this is how you check first before you get into the deleting and editing and all. Okay. And this is our Inferno. Right. So this is our Inferno girl artwork. So my friends, is it not amazing? Let's say give this a little more of transparency. So the name is coming up. Okay. And this is the completion of this artwork. If you like this thing, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.